What's up, Just Guys Squad? Today we are going to try these instant milk teas. We got this at the Asian Expo and we got that a few months ago. And we're finally going to try it out today. Okay, so let's open up the one that I think is probably just like a plain tea. So, powder. Here is the instant boba. You can feel the little pearls. Here is the tea bag. And look, they even gave me a boba straw. And some, probably like some sweetener. So, let me get some hot water, boiling water in here. I'm not going to add too much boiling water because after everything gets soft and ready, I'm going to put it over ice. Because once everything's all ready, I'm going to be pouring it over some ice. Because usually we have our boba drinks cold. So there's the tea. I'm just going to let that steep. It smells like black tea.
I like it, Boba.
You like it boba, right?
No, I like Boba.
Okay, hang on. My baby knows just what boba is. Okay, so this one going, the hot tea. Let's see. It smells like a simple black tea. We have this one, the little bobas, pearls. Let's see how they look. There's the boba right there. Wow, there's the boba. I think we'll drop those in and get them soft. And then I'm going to cover this and let it sit there for 3 minutes. And now I'll get the other one going. Wait, this one goes with that one. I don't want to get them mixed up. Here is the other one.
Hi.
There's the other one. It looks the same. Let's get the hot water in there. There we go, got that one. This one, the boba pearls look a little different on that one. This one is not boba, this is the red bean. The little sweet red bean. We're gonna come back in 3 minutes and we'll see how it tastes. We're back! Time to mix everything. So we will stir up the bean one. Okay, that's like a definitely green tea because you can smell the green. You can smell the matcha. You can smell the matcha there. So I think it's time to squeeze out that tea bag there. Squeeze out the extra. And before we put it over ice, we better stir in the sweetener now. So I'm gonna poke it with a knife because it's bound pretty tight. I'm pretty sure it's just like a sugar, just to sweeten the tea up. Tastes like caramel. Now we add the powder. It smells really sweet. I'm just gonna go around the sides to get the extra off. Yeah, this smells super sweet. Let that one rest and then fix up the other one. This is just your simple black tea, pretty sure. Oops. Opening up the little packet is a little hard because the plastic doesn't want to come off. I think this is going to be just your typical milk tea. If you have slurping noises, that's my daughter
Yum,
trying
yum.
those little sweeteners. I'm really excited for this one. I hope this one's really good because I love milk tea. There we go. And now let's put some ice.
Ash?
Ice. Okay.
Hey, where is the ash?
Ice. Okay.
It's good. It's good. It's good. And whoa! The bag. I like them. I like them, Mom. I like them.
And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water since it's so concentrated.
Mmm. Mmm. Yeah.
This is the coolest boba straw. Look at this. It extends. So this is the red bean green tea. And wait. And let's try it. Let's put the other one. The cups are so cute. I would put the ice right in here, but I just put it on the side so that you're able to see the boba and everything. I'm gonna keep the cups and use them again because they're so adorable. Okay, and it's time to all our boba straw ready. Okay, so there they are. We got the green tea with the red bean and the milk tea with the boba. Try it. Is it good? Mm. And time to try the other one. Good or not? Yeah?
Yeah.
He says, yum, yum. So you can see the little bubbles in there at the bottom. And over here is the green tea, the little red beans. Hope this is good. Wow, it's really good. I would buy this again. It's really good. Wow, this is really amazing. It does taste really good. It does taste like from a boba shop. I like it. It's not too powdery. It's not even like grainy or too sweet. It's perfect. I like this one a lot. Time for the green tea. I didn't get a boba and I gotta make sure it's chewy. Let's see. Okay, here's the real chance. Let's see if these bobas are good.
Can I try?
The bobas are too hard. But the drink was great. Now I will try the red bean green tea.
I like it.
This tastes amazing too. Let's see how the little red bean tastes. Here's the red bean. The red bean's good because they're already soft, so it didn't even need to be in the hot water. They taste good. Okay, now my daughter's gonna try it. Those bubbles are not chewy, right? They're hard.
They are bound to ball.
Maybe if we
Wait, can I try something?
maybe if we boiled them.
Mom, did you make this?
No, I didn't make it.
Oh, it tastes good.
My daughter likes it. Uh-oh, the other daughter's fighting for it. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. And if you see these at a store, I'm sure you'll like it too. Except for the boba. The boba is the only questionable part, but the drink is really great. And the red bean tastes perfect. Well, I'll see you next time in the next video.